How to change business portfolio name on Meta business site. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So to change your business portfolio name, you have to search up for Facebook, facebook.business.com, and here you can see this Meta for Business, this site, and you just have to simply tap onto this address over here. You just have to find the option, and from there, let's say you want to change your Meta business account business portfolio's name, then simply tap onto the settings option, and after tapping onto the settings option, you can see your names over here, your language settings. You can just simply tap onto them, and then you can tap onto page settings and you can edit those page name. So let me show you how you can do it. So for example, let's go back here you can see, let me show you. Let's go back. You can see this gadget grid icon. You can just simply tap onto this once this accounts, and then you just need to find the business portfolio options. So just simply just search for business portfolio option, or also you can edit this Facebook page form over here. You can change your bio and other infos if you want to. Then you can just go over to your account. So let me find that option. Let's go over to settings, and here you can see this option, this info here. Over here you can just go to this Facebook settings, and then from over here you can just change these options. Like for example, page details, you can change it from here according to your need. You just simply tap on to edit option, and then you can just change your business portfolios option. So that was pretty much it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.